Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We welcome you back to Madrasa Majma al-Bahrain and we ask Allah to bless our efforts. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to register on our platform. If you want to register, you only need two things. You need to register and then you need to enroll. Don't forget, register then enroll. So if you want to register, just click on register now. So here, you enter your name, maybe Yunus, your surname, maybe Hassan, your username, you can just combine your name, Yunus, Hassan, and your surname and put maybe some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your email address, so go to temp-mail.org. temp-mail.org and it's going to give you a temporary email, so copy it, then you paste it here. So under the password, what you are going to do for the password is that you are going to form your password. Let me form my own. So this one is okay for me. Make sure you write it somewhere. So you click on register. So when you click on register, then verification email will be sent to your email. So you go to the temp mail and wait for it. You can see this is here. Click on it. Then you click on this verify email, this button. The email will be verified. You can see it's not verified. Then I should log in. Because I saved it, it has already entered it here. Yunus Hassan, that's my username, then my password is already there. So you just enter it. You can click on this, keep me signed in, so that you're going to be signed in every time. You can see, now I'm in my dashboard, I've already registered. So you come back to home, you can just click on this, our logo, or home, anyone. So now I've registered. So the next thing I want to do is to enroll. So I click on enroll. So when you want to enroll, you have to choose between beginner's class or intermediate class. Beginner class is for the people who cannot read the Quran yet, or they can read the Quran but not fluently, or they can read Quran fluently but they have not engaged in any Arabic mini class before. They haven't gone to Madrasa to learn maybe Durusul Lugo or any other book where the meaning of the Quran or the meaning of Hadith or the meaning of Arabic text is being read. They have not done that. So those people should pick this beginner's class. But if you are someone who has gone to Madrasa before, you can read Quran fluently and you can translate some ayat of the Quran, some hadith, and also you have learned books like Durusul Lugo before, then you can pick this. So for this particular test, I'm going to pick this beginner's class. Now, when you get here now, you now click on enroll. You can see now, start learning. So when you see start learning, know that you have already enrolled. And if you come here now, the icon here is eye icon. That means you can view this. So you can just click on start learning here. Either you click on start learning here or you try to click on video here. Anyone is going to take you to this place. So then you can start watching the video. When you are done watching this one, just click on mark as complete. Then you click on next. It's going to take you to the next video, which is this. After that, it's going to take you to this place. These are introductory videos. Then you Piro 1, 2, and you continue like that. So that's how to register on our platform. So whenever you want to take class, just come to student dashboard, student login. You have already logged in. You can come to dashboard, student dashboard. You are going to see that you have enrolled in just one course. And this is it here. You can click on it. Then you click on start learning. So you're going to watch the video class here. So that's that. If you want to enroll in some other extra classes, come to all courses. So when you come to all courses, you're going to see all the courses. You know, we have intermediate class and we have beginner's class. Remember, you have to choose between either intermediate class or beginner, depending on the level you are in Arabic and Quran reading. So when you do this, you can pick either you are in beginners class or you are in the intermediate class. You can pick anyone from the extra class. This extra class, Arabic speaking. You want to learn how to speak Arabic. Extra class, conditions of Salah. You want to know the conditions of Salah so that your Salah is going to be valid. Meaning of La ilaha illallah. You want to know the meaning of La ilaha illallah, so you are going to be distinct from a Christian. You know the reason why Muslims are different from Christians and what validates one's faith and what nullifies it. Fiqh of women matters. How to do nifas, how to do haid, all the principle that has to do with that. You want to learn that, so you are going to pick this particular one. So adab, Islamic etiquette. So we want to learn that. Tajweed, you are going to learn that too. So anything you want to learn, you can just enroll in any extra class you like to enroll in. So may Allah make it easy for us. So whenever you come to the platform, just go straight to dashboard and you're going to see the course you have enrolled in. Let me enroll in any of these, maybe Arabic speaking. I click on enroll now. I've already enrolled. You can see start learning. So if I should come to my dashboard, I'm going to see 2 courses there. You can see 2. The one I just enrolled right now and the one I've enrolled before. So that's how to be taking the courses. Just want to bless our efforts. Some of the things you can also do is that you can come to settings here. Under profile, you can upload your photo, cover photo. This is your name. You can change it if you like. This is your username. You can add your phone number, your occupation, your bio, things like that. You can do all this. So you can just play around. May Allah bless our efforts. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.